Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the OnePlus 6. What do you say, Jack? Kablamo, mirror black, and it's got this polished look to it. It's made out of glass. You can see the layout changed here in the back from the 5T. You still have a dual camera setup with the fingerprint sensor now underneath it. Portrait orientation here. All right. As you can see, it's got some juice right now, and there you have it. This, of course, the first OnePlus device adopting the notch. The display is 2280 by 1080, 6.28 inches OLED, very vibrant display as you've come to expect. You're gonna have the dash charger, one of the fastest chargers in the game. They're also going to include a case with a smoked clear look to it. They're also gonna have first-party accessories, including one of my favorites, the OnePlus carbon fiber, some wood grain, threaded kind of nylon look. Let me check that out real quick. Ooh, texture, kind of nice. What is that, a little Alcantara?